Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both tool and product. Clean, dry brush, and a small pump of foundation. Use 1-2 pumps on your hand or palette so you control coverage. Dip the brush into the product with light taps. This loads the tip without saturating. Once loaded, dab the brush onto the center of your face to place product where you need it most. This saves product and prevents streaks. Make sure to keep movements gentle to avoid pushing too much foundation at once. Now you blend. Use short, controlled buffing strokes to distribute product evenly. Start at the face center and work outward. This ensures natural gradation and avoids harsh edges. Rotate the brush as you blend to use fresh bristles and prevent visible stroke marks. Once done with one cheek, move to forehead and chin, checking symmetry as you go. If you need more coverage, build in thin layers rather than a single heavy pass. This gives you a seamless finish and prevents cakiness. Finish by setting and refining. Lightly dust translucent powder where oil collects to lock foundation in place. Then inspect under natural light and spot correct any missed areas using a fingertip or small concealer brush. This blends edges without lifting foundation. Once done, clean the brush after use. Regular washing prevents buildup that causes patchiness. If you see streaks, dampen the brush slightly and buff those areas in small circular motions to reblend. This typically fixes texture issues without removing coverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.